Hi everyone, welcome to Eden's Secret. Sorry I haven't been around for a while, just a quick explanation on that one. I haven't been ill or anything like that. I got loads of orders for packaging boxes. Now, bit of an issue with the packaging boxes. They take up so much time to actually cut the boxes. It's like 3 minutes roundabout, more or less, for each box. Not only that, the ink costs a fortune. The card, I can't get the stock anymore because apparently it's made in Ukraine. And a lot of you had mentioned that how was I going to manage to fit in packaging boxes as well as making soap and everything. And I did wonder myself, is this even going to work? Well, as it turns out, it took so much time to make the boxes that everything else has had to be on hold, even making videos. So I'm losing money by not making the videos, not making soaps or product, and just concentrating on the boxes, which is 75p each. That's, and you've no idea how much all the ink costs and everything, and the card. So that's just put me behind on absolutely everything. So I managed to get up to date with those, and I've taken them off the website. But if you paid for a custom design, I will still honour those boxes, and I'll keep making my own boxes, of course. So here we are, back to doing what I love, is making soap. So let's get making today's Christmas soap, which is Applejack Peel. And as you're watching this, I want to say hello to Kate from Kind and Loving Soaps. I bumped into her this morning, and as soon as I opened my mouth, she had a stall in Morrison's in Penrith. She's got lovely, natural, beautiful products. Gorgeous flash. And I thought, I wonder if I speak, she'll recognise me or anything. Well, I didn't even get 3 words out, and she went, "You're Karen Morland." It's weird. You feel, although I'm not shy, I can only describe it as I felt really shy when she said it. So hello Kate, I enjoyed speaking to you this morning. I'll put a link to Kate's website and Instagram in the description box below the video. Okay, so we're just gonna put about 500 mils in here. This is for each mould. Let's do it one at a time because I can't remember if this seizes or not, this fragrance. Oh, it's quite yellow, isn't it? Just giving that a little bit of a swirl in there. In with the yellow on this side. It's definitely a fast mover. So we pop some titanium dioxide in here. So whilst we've got rather a lot of the red and green in the bottom part, I don't want as much in these upper parts. Ooh, look at that. Oh, that looks so pretty. That is super cute. Okay, time to pipe the poinsettia. I'm just going to keep it to one side so you can still see the sprinkles and everything on the top of the bar. And this turntable, it's a pottery one, I think, that you use for pottery, or you can get a cake swivel turntable. So that's what it looks like there at the moment. But I got these cute rings years ago, and they've just got like a beautiful little gold bow on the front. I thought I would just pop that on there like so. That just makes the bar look so much cuter, doesn't it? With that lovely little bow and flower on top. I was going to put some sprinkles on, but I've changed my mind. So just thought you might like a bit of a closer look. Oh, I need to get cracking here. I think I'll do the piping first and then get the rings on there after I've done all the piping, because this is starting to thicken up. By the way, I don't use the tweezers for my eyebrows because I've hardly got any eyebrows. So never pluck them. That's one bit of advice for the young people, if any of the young people are watching. If you want to keep thick eyebrows, don't pluck them, because eventually they just stop growing. Some grow, but not enough to make a nice, lovely, thick eyebrow. And I did used to have quite a nice thick eyebrow when I was younger. Looks really sweet, doesn't it? Really sweet, I like that.
This is SHEA, yep. So, do you have your bed all that since before we got here? That is oven temperature. They should pay everybody involved. It didn't feel like the right thing. So, is there anyone trying to go with it? I thought it was just